In this video, I will show you how to access iCloud email on an Android device. So let's jump straight into it. So you might be wanting to log into your iCloud. Say for example you had an iPhone previously and you switched across to Android. Now there are a couple of ways to do this, but the easiest way is to actually use the native Gmail app on your device. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Gmail. And from here, you want to come up to the top right hand corner and press onto your profile icon. So what you now need to do, you can see I've got a few accounts on here. You just want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And at the very bottom, you're going to see an option to add another account. So what you want to do is press onto this. And then it's going to say set up email. You can see we got some different options, for example, Google, Hotmail, Yahoo, and Exchange. What we want to do is come down and press onto other down at the bottom. From here, you can just simply go ahead and enter your iCloud email. So for example, whatever your iCloud email is, you would just put it into here. So it should look something like this. And once you've done that, just come down and press the blue next button at the bottom. All you now need to do is enter the password for that iCloud email. And once you've entered the password, go ahead and press next at the bottom. What that's going to do is actually log you into your iCloud email. So that is how to access iCloud email on an Android device. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.